Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see the concept of conditional precedence. We will continue with the example that we did in our earlier video tutorial related to master-child parameters. In this we have got a master package which executes three packages: India related package, US related package and Japan related package. And each of these packages insert a single record in our country master table. So this India related package inserts a record for India in our country master table. Now we are connecting these packages using what we call as conditional precedence. This arrow marks, that is green colored arrow mark, is nothing but conditional precedence. It has got three options: success, failure and completion. By default it is having success as the option. So if suppose the first task has got success while during execution, then only the control passes on to the second task. But if suppose we select other option, that is failure, then the control will pass from first task to the second task only if there is failure of the first task. Now let us understand this. So let us introduce an error in the second task. So now the second task for US is going to fail. So let us see in our database, there are no records. Let us execute our package, which means now second task has failed and hence third task has not executed. So correspondingly, let us see in our database table, there will be only one record for India, and that's how it is. So let us delete this record. So now there are no records in the database table. Now let us make the operator precedence, so that is conditional precedence, to failure. So now if second task fails, the third task will execute. Let us see, second has failed, the third task has executed successfully. Let us go to the database, and now accordingly first and third record have been inserted. Let us delete the records. Now let us remove the error from the second task. So now this SQL statement has been corrected. So now the second task should run successfully, which means the third task should not run, as we are expecting third task to run only on failure of the second task. So now first and second task has run and hence the third task did not run, which means we will have first two records. So as we can see, for India and US the records have been inserted. Let us delete the records. Now let us again make the second task erroneous. Now if we choose the third option, that is completion, then the third task will run if there is success or failure of the second task, that is either of the condition. The second task to just complete the execution, then the third task will run. Accordingly, we can see that the second task has failed, which means it has completed execution, and third task has run. Let us verify the same in our database tables. First and third records have been inserted. So we have seen three options of success, failure and completion for conditional precedence in this video tutorial.